Mircom Engineered Systems is a global network of dedicated sales and service offices which provide and fully service Mircom-branded intelligent building solutions. Mircom ES services include everything from installation support to warranty and repairs.
We have had quite a bit of success with the operations here in Canada, and it naturally evolved to areas beyond the Canadian borders, including the US and our international marketplaces.
Excellent customer service is at the core of the Mircom ES offering. Customers can expect world-class, leading-edge products combined with professional and timely service delivery.
When our customers hire us or bring us onto their project, they bring us in as a partner, and we treat that very seriously. We bring our products and our services to that project, and we deliver it on time and on budget.
Customer expects peace of mind when they sign up with the service provider. Mircom ES has got the credential, experiences, and the total product portfolio to offer a total integrated solution.
Mircom ES service providers are professionally qualified to provide installation, inspection, testing, and maintenance in accordance with all major North American codes, and with emergency service available 24/7, 365 days a year.
All technicians are factory trained, CFAA trained, and are trained accordingly to the AHJ's recommendations.
The commercial division brings a unique mix of capabilities which allows Mircom ES to satisfy the demands of very specialized applications such as hospitals, campuses, mega resorts, and much more.
The commercial division of Mircom ES allows Mircom to enter the world of more complex projects. It brings expertise of our people and our products together and allows us to execute those projects.
In addition to certified technicians, Mircom ES employs a specialized team of project managers to oversee complex projects from bid to completion.
They're the people that really interface with our customers after the sale is made. They're highly skilled, very expert in what they do, and they bring a lot of value to the end product and the end service.
Part of the success of Mircom ES stems from dedicated head office and manufacturing facility support.
The advantage of having a head office support team gives us a great opportunity to bring a lot more to the customer and to our projects. It gives us the ability to bring project management. It gives us the ability to bring research and development and changes in those products that we finally deliver.
Mircom ES also proudly partners with other industry players and ESDs in order to bring intelligent building solutions to customers.
Mircom ES will be partnering with local companies to have global experience and local reach. Together, we would deliver safer and smarter buildings.
We've had a tremendous relationship with our ESDs together with our MES offices. There's quite a number of synergies which arise. Ultimately, we are beholden to our customers and our clients, and it's up to them to choose their service delivery vehicle. We feel we can offer both extremely strong products and leading-edge portfolios of solutions through our ESDs, or alternatively, we can get involved in the delivery of those products and solutions through our MES locations.
We have our own products and we do a lot of things with those. We have our services, we do a lot of things with those, but we also have the ability to combine all those things and become a one-of-a-kind provider to our customers. It allows us to be a solutions provider in the true sense of the word.